Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm so excited to unbox this PR package from yesstyle. Nakalagay siya dito sa box and na-open ko na siya kasi medyo matagal ko na siya nung na-receive and ngayon lang ako nakapag-film. Sorry for the late update or late upload sa aking channel. So, ayan. Anyway, ganun babalik ulit ako dito sa YouTube. So, please do support me by subscribing and click the bell button beside it and share this to your family and friends. So, I have 8 items here. First item is this one. So, isa-isahin muna natin and later i-unbox natin siya. Unahin ko muna yung mga maliliit na item. So, and the last two. So, ayun. First item is this Heloi heart pendant necklace.
What's there to say?
Heart na pendant. And by the way, guys, you can check yesstyle. Marami silang products to choose from, like the Met. Meron din sila yung mga Korean food, mga pang home decor, and other stuff. You can use my code. Here's my code for 10% discount. Kasi akong suot din ng necklace. So, para siyang naging layered na necklace. And the second item is cartoon foldable phone stand yellow hat bear.
I should have told you that I loved you one more time.
Next is triple shadow 4 colors. The shade 17 heart ring. It's from Missha. And ganito yung color niya. The next item is Hello Kitty from Cathy doll. So, ayan. Hello Kitty lip and cheek matte mousse in the shade 02 carrot. Nagpo-focus ba? Hindi talaga ako naglagay ng lips yung itsura na applicator niya. Shade ng 02 carrot.
Don't say it's okay.
Hindi mabigat sa feeling. Para ka lang din naglagay ng lip balm. And maganda yung color niya. Guys, tumitingin ako dito kasi nandito yung mirror ko. Meron tayong bag. Faux leather saddle crossbody bag. And black and one size lang daw siya. Sobrang cute. Ayan. And pag open nyo, nandito lang yung strap. Marami rin naman kayo mailalagay dito. And ayan, marami kayong mailalagay. Next item is this plain yarn beanie. Plain yarn beanie in the shade beige, one size, and it's from the brand Heloi. So, ito, second to the last item, it's from the brand Whoosh, long sleeve Frill-Edge t-shirt. Color is almond. Ayan siya. So, going to try this on. Pakita ko sa inyo. Here. Hindi siya ganun ka stretchable. So, medyo nai-stretch na siya ng konti. But I think this size is for small to medium size. Okay, so yun yung long sleeve for the last item. And wala pa akong ganitong dress, but this is so nice. Ayan. So, yan siya. Harap, meron lang siyang buttons here. Nakalagay sa picture na magkasama tong dalawa, kaya I think cute siya pa pinagsama natin. Mahaba-haba siya, guys. Siguro lang mas maganda if naka-fit to ng paganyan. Pag maluwag, parang flowy lang yung dress. The Korean vibe outfit.
You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon.
Yun guys, I hope you like this video. And sa mga gusto mag-purchase sa yesstyle, you can use my discount code for 10% off. Again, thank you so much yesstyle for sending these over. And Ayun. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please do share it to your family and friends. Till next time. Bye!
Should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time. Would you have stayed?